Good morning, YouTube! Today, we're taking a look at the stealth Pokemon, Dragapult. Dragapult is an aerodynamic Pokemon that flies quickly through the sky, and it uses a very interesting method to shoot Dreepy out of the horns on top of its head. A common misconception is that it does this by filling its cheeks with air. As you can see, the lower part of Dragapult's skull is long and thin, and the skin over it is stretched out so much that there's no space for it to inflate its cheeks. Instead, there are two glands below its eyes, between the skin and muscles, which expand when secreting chemicals, which we'll get to in a moment. This creates a lump where it looks like Dragapult's cheeks would be, making it look like it's filling its cheeks with air. Each gland produces a different chemical, which are called hydrogen peroxide and hydroquinone. Once produced, both chemicals travel through vessels up to chambers right beneath the horns where the Dreepy are, where they mix, causing an explosion. Instantly, the chamber fills with gas and the pressure inside rises to 35,000 psi. An orifice opens up below Dreepy, and the gas escapes, pushing Dreepy out at Mach speed. Then, the gas leaves Dragapult by the opening at the back of the horn. The Dreepy collision with the opponent, bite them, then circle back around to reposition themselves in Dragapult's horns. Of course, detonating chemicals inside your own head is not a good idea, but Dragapult has developed some special features that allow it to survive this. The explosions happen inside the extensions of its skull, far away from its brain. The scales inside its horns are much harder than the ones on the rest of its body, and so is the bone part of the extension of its skull. Even though the gas produced can be nauseous, it's evacuated quickly and entirely. Something you might notice is that Dragapult has 4 horns, but only 2 of them contain Dreepy. Both extra horns also have a chamber for mixing chemicals, but they're much smaller due to underdevelopment. I have a theory as to why that is. The entire Dreepy line are reincarnations of Pokemon that lived in prehistoric times, and back then, the Dreepy population must have been much bigger than it is now. So back then, Dragapult were probably able to find 4 Dreepy to put in their horns, but since there aren't as many Dreepy today, they can only find 2. With that, stay away from your Dragapult when it uses dragon darts, because the gas coming from behind it could easily harm you. Au revoir!